Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYCC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a super good move. Sure, it pulled back here a little bit, but from where it closed relative to where it was, last week, everyone would agree, good solid day. But that does bring up the logical question, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but the good news is, like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And to illustrate this, I want to scrunch up the chart here a little bit more just to best illustrate my point. And to me, answering this question revolves around a single level, and that level is right here at $4.35. Why is $4.35 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $4.35. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction. So I'm going to zoom back in here. Now, ideally speaking, meaning Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can hold up above $4.90, that would by far make the chart look the best. But by no means am I saying if the price drops below that green line that everything's ruined or anything like that. The must hold level, as we've discussed, down there at 435. What about areas of resistance? Now, yes, this level up here is certainly a level of resistance at 580, and that's the fun one to talk about just because who doesn't like to talk about testing highs, breaking new highs? So 580 is a level of resistance, but in many situations, as is the case here, usually there's one other area of resistance that the bulls first need to fight through, and that's right here at $5.30. So 530 is that first bridge that needs to be crossed, but then after that, yes, 580 would be the next key level of resistance. No doubt about it, though, very nice day today, so it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.